Alright mates, today we're going out of the bush to find the pack people. They're quite small, but if they attack, they can pack quite a punch. I think I'll hear them out, Piper. There they are, a pair. A young one, about 8 weeks old, with his mother. What you really gotta be careful for, though, is the alpha male. Very dangerous. Hey everybody, Piper. I think I can hear the North African penguin. I think it's out here in this bush. Go check it out. Alright, let's worry about the North African penguin later. Right now we're working on the pack penguin. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, it's the alpha male! It's a taser! Get down! Alright guys. Alright, Cocky, the best way to deal with one of these is to have it head on. Go! Oh my god! I've never seen one this size before! I wonder where its pack is! Oh my god! It's a little one! Oh my god!